Hi. So, if you're having an idea or planning to build uh, for rental income or real estate investment, an apartment house design is one of the smartest choices. So, in this video, I'm going to explain a modern apartment design and the features that makes it both functional and profitable. From the outside, this apartment features a modern architectural design with large windows, balconies that enhances both beauty and functionality. The exterior finishes, such as the textured paint and decorative element, gives the building a stylish and attractive look. So this apartment is designed to accommodate multiple units within one building. Depending on the layout, it may include bed sitters, one bedroom, two bedroom, three bedroom, and some goes up to four bedroom. Each unit is designed with a living space, with a living space, kitchen area, bedroom, and bathroom to ensure comfort and privacy for tenants. Open plan kitchen are commonly used to create a more spacious and modern feel. So this building includes a staircase that provides access to the upper floors. In larger apartments design, elevators may also be included for conveniences. Corridors are well planned to allow easy movement within the different units. A well-designed apartment also include adequate parking space, proper drainage system, and sometimes landscaping to improve the overall environment. These features make the property more attractive to tenants. One of the biggest advantage of these apartments or apartment building is the ability to maximize land use. By building multiple units on one plot, you can generate consistent and reliable rental income. This makes apartment design ideal for both urban and growing areas. A modern apartment house design combines functionality, efficiency, and attractive architecture to create comfortable living space for tenants. Oh, sorry. Uh, so if you would like apartment house plans or any house plans in our YouTube channel or even professional construction services, kindly do not hesitate to contact us on 0724481087 or 0789217685. You can as well email us at info@westkenyarealestate.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, and West Kenya Real Estate Limited, building your dream home and investment. Bye.